Okay, what we're trying to do here is, the last pass we did was really nice, but we got water laps the closer we got to the rocks. So what we're doing is putting the mics up higher, and we're going to switch to, that'll eliminate some of the water lap, but we're also switching to MS on the left and right mic. So it'll give us directional up into the birds, and the center mic will be the 120 degrees XY. So hopefully we can isolate more birds and have less water. So we have two main problems. We started at 4 a.m. this morning to get here at 5. Our crew started late. Then we got out here, we got a couple really nice takes. But now we're finding all this background noise from these other boats are hampering us. So what we're doing here is we've moved the mics over on the side of the boat away from the noise, which is over here. And we're going to try to get a quieter recording, but the BG of the boats is everywhere. So if you want to take a look, you can just look down that row and you'll see how we're trying to isolate the microphones using the boat. And we're pointing away from the noise. And we point up to avoid water lap.